Have you ever wondered how LLMs can finish your sentences or answer your questions like a real person? The secret lies in a special architecture called the transformer. This powerful architecture is based on a 2017 paper titled Attention is All You Need. But what's the magic behind how these transformers predict the next word in a sentence? In today's cooking session, we'll look at 3 key steps. Number 1, chopping up your text or prompt into smaller chunks. Number 2, understanding the meaning of your text and how all the pieces fit together. And finally, serving up the answer for you. Alright, let's start with the first step. For example, if you ask an LLM system, what is the best cheeseburger? Your question or prompt is broken down into smaller pieces called tokens. So, best becomes one token, cheese is another token, and burger represents another token, and so forth. This helps LLM process your request more efficiently. Also, one word is not always equal to one token. This is mostly based on the number of characters. But how do LLMs understand what each token means? In order to grasp a word's meaning, say burger in our example, LLMs refer to its massive training data set. As the model sifts through this data, it creates a vector, a list of numbers, to determine how close each word in the training data relates to burger. This is known as word embeddings. But just understanding individual words or tokens is not enough, as the usage of words changes based on the context. For instance, if I say the cheeseburger at the restaurant was big, the word big here describes the size of the burger, not the restaurant. This is where the transformer neural network comes in. Using a self-attention mechanism, the transformer looks at all the words or tokens in a sentence at the same time to understand their meanings, relationships, and context. You know, it's like figuring out how to best combine buns, meat, lettuce, and other ingredients to make a tasty burger. Finally, based on this understanding, the transformer generates a response for you by tapping into the knowledge it has acquired from the billions of parameters obtained from compressing internet data. So for instance, when asked, what is the best cheeseburger? Our LLM might answer, it depends on your taste. Do you prefer American cheese or cheddar? And that's how LLMs serve you a response. Time for a pop quiz. What does the acronym GPT in LLMs stand for? A. Generative Pre-trained Transformer. B. Generative Prompt Transformer. And C. Generated Popular Tokens. Please leave your answers in the comment section. To summarize, LLM uses transformer neural network architecture to generate human-like responses. This process involves breaking down your prompt into tokens, understanding the context and meaning of these tokens, and finally generating a response by predicting the next word. In our next episode, we'll explore various applications of LLMs and how you can leverage them for your project. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and leave your answers to the quiz in the comment section. Till I see you next time, happy learning and happy eating.
And happy eating.